Hello everyone. The problem for today is to simplify this mess. This mess, that's our problem for right now. And so to start, I just want to play a quick memory game. Memory game. Okay. Memory game. What happens if you're going to multiply something like this? Y to the n times y to the x. What exactly do we do? Um, Well, what we will have to do is just add the exponents. Adding the exponents. Um, you you just add the exponents since they share the same base. What happens if you have something like this? Y to the nx. What do you do there? Well, if you have something like that, this case will be different. You're multiplying the exponents, so you'll just be stuck with y to the nx. Yeah, you're not adding them, you're multiplying them now if they're written in this way. And what do we have? What do we do if we have something like this? A to the x and to the y. What do we do there? Oh, just to clarify, a is a constant. A is a constant. What do we do there, you may ask? Well, it's simple. We just distribute the y. We distribute it there, we distribute it there. So you're stuck with a to the y times x to the ny. We will just distribute the y, and there you go. You get your end result. With these ideas in mind, we can now finally approach this problem. And the first step, for me, step 1, is to get rid of the radicals by rewriting them. We will first have to rewrite. So we will have y to the 2/3 times 3 to the y/4 minus 2x to the minus 5 times 3 plus 2x minus 4 plus x to the 3/2 plus 10 to the y squared. This is our first step, just rewriting to be friendlier. Rewrite. And so we can use our memory game knowledge to make this a bit friendlier, more friendlier, more friendlier. More friendlier. I don't know, that's probably not grammatically correct, but oh well. We will have 3 times y, 4 plus 2/3 minus 2x to the negative 15 plus 2x to the negative 4 plus x to the 3/2 plus, let's distribute the 2. 10 to the 2 times y squared to the 2. That's a bit easier to see, and it's definitely more friendlier than the mess over here. So what will we do next? What I'll do first is just check what 4 plus 2/3 is. Well, 4 can be rewritten as 12/3 plus our original 2/3. And so we'll get stuck with 14/3. So now we have 3y to the, where y is 14 to the 3, and then minus 2, we can bring the negative exponent to the positive by just flipping. Because recall, if we have something like this, we can just flip to make the exponent positive. Recall. And so that's why we have minus 2 over x to the 15, because we want to bring the 15 down. And we also bring down the plus 2 to the x, 2 times x to the negative 4th. 2 to the x to the 4th. And we'll also have the x to the 3/2. And so, and we will also have our 100, because that's 10 to the 2, times our y squared to the 2. And so our final answer, when simplified, will just be 3y, where y is 14 to the 3rds, minus 2 to the x, minus 2 over x to the 15, plus 2 over x to the 4th, plus x to the 3/2, plus 100, and remember from a memory game, y squared to the square would just be y 4th. We will multiply 2 times 2, and that gives us power 4. Power 4, sorry, right here, power 4. And so we went from this big mess over here, or big mess right here, we ended up at just this right here. It's 14 to the 14/3. Yeah, so you can see how friendlier this looks, and I don't think you can do it any further. So this will be our final answer when simplified. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.